Hey everyone, it's Carrie over at Double Click. Welcome back to my craft room. Today I'm doing a VR for Tony over at Tony's Witchy Art and Crafts. Her channel will be linked down below. She is hosting a birthday challenge that ends July 22nd. Tony, I am so sorry that I was not able to get this up sooner. I really wanted to join in and I wanted to at least get this sent out on time. Doing my VR right now. She's asking for a handmade card, 2 1x1s and 2 2x2s, and you can receive an extra entry if you send her an ATC card with your information on the back. This is the project that I am going to be sending her out in the mail tomorrow, which is Saturday, and I think her postmarked deadline is for Monday, so I'm cutting it very close here. I decided to pull out my Tim Holtz drawer. I came up with this card. I think it came out super fun. I have a little stamp that says I craft, therefore I am, and I layered up some ephemera pieces that I had from an old K & Company ephemera pack. This is some Tim Holtz paper, a little film strip. On the inside, I will be building my flat card process. I have an ATC pocket that I'll be putting in. Then I also have some packaging for the 2x2s as well as the 1x1s. Here are the items that I have created. I am sending her some of my dewdrop. I'm sending her them in the Tim Holtz colors. Hopefully she'll be able to use them on one of her projects. Here's my first 2x2. I think it came out so super cute. We have this little kitty cat. I added a gem and some thread on a popped up little circle. This is the next one. I have this Tim Holtz ephemera. He's sitting on a flower. I have some layered pieces behind. I used some stickles along the edges. I think it came out so super fun. Here's my 1x1. I found this little piece of ephemera. I thought that was so funny, and I snipped some greenery off of a flower. These are some brown liquid pearls. This is also some Tim Holtz paper. I did punch out some chipboard to make them more sturdy. And here's my other 1x1. This is a little punch out of a rag doll, and I used some glossy accents, and I did cover it with some glass beads. I have a little tape measure back there and some more Tim Holtz paper. I did ink all the edges. I think she came out super fun. And this is my ATC card. These also were from the K & Company pack. This is one of the Tim Holtz ones. I did do some stickles on the butterfly as well as her dress. And I have a little die cut back there, a little jack, and I used some washi tape, and then I did put my info on the back. That is my entry for Tony. Tony, I hope you had a wonderful birthday, and thank you so much for this challenge. Thank you guys so much for stopping by, and have a great day. Bye guys.